Hey everyone, welcome back. In this series, I'm building EdgeToEquity, an AI-powered trading platform that I'm creating from the ground up, and I'm doing all this in public. And I'm not building it alone. I've teamed up with 3 AI collaborators: Claude, my UX designer, Cursor, my coder, and ChatGPT, my senior architect. And in this first part, we're going to fix 2 big issues that make the platform look and feel more professional. So let's get started. So we started with inconsistent purples and greens across the dashboard, and to be honest, it looked messy and very unpolished. So I asked Claude to refine a clean and professional color palette that actually matched the EdgeToEquity brand. Next, I passed the request to Cursor, but instead of letting it just change my files directly, I ran it in what I call safe mode. Safe mode is very important because it actually means Cursor won't automatically overwrite my code. Instead, it shows me a preview of the proposed changes, almost like a draft pull request. This way, I can see exactly what's being added or replaced before anything is applied. And this keeps me in control and prevents AI mistakes from breaking the project. I've had several experiences before where Cursor AI went crazy and my whole project was broken. So this is a way for me to prevent those mistakes going forward. Then I had ChatGPT review this preview line by line, and this is just to make sure that the updates were accurate and safe before proceeding. Once everything checked out, ChatGPT gave me the go-ahead to apply those changes with Cursor. And here's the result. The dashboard now uses a consistent, unified color palette, and it makes it look sharper, cleaner, and much more professional. Next, I turn to navigation. And before moving between the dashboard and the strategy architect and also the strategy doctor, they all felt very disconnected and clunky. So to fix this, I asked Cursor in safe mode to restructure the sidebar and unify the navigation shell. And again, if you didn't catch what safe mode means, it just means that Cursor won't directly overwrite my code, and instead, it just shows me a preview of the proposed changes, so that way I can review them before they're actually applied. So after that, I had ChatGPT step in to double check the preview, make sure there was no issues. This validation step is very important because it definitely ensures that the changes are reliable and won't actually introduce errors into the project. So once everything looked good, ChatGPT gave the approval to apply the updates with Cursor. Navigation now feels seamless. The dashboard, architect, and doctor views flow smoothly together within one unified sidebar layout. And to be honest, small improvements like this might not even seem dramatic, but they make a huge difference in usability, and they give the entire app a more polished and professional feel. So that wraps up part 1 of this series, and with consistent brand colors and navigation in place, the foundation of EdgeToEquity feels much stronger and far more professional. But this is just the beginning. Next, I'll be building out the Strategy Architect and Strategy Doctor, turning them just from placeholders into functional working tools that traders can actually use. And if you enjoyed following along so far, please hit that subscribe button so you don't actually miss the next stage of this build. This is really where the platform starts to come alive. Thank you for watching, take care, and God bless.